Hello, my name is Ruth Marshall and today I'm going to show you how to make this type of BRIGIT's cross. So to make this type of BRIGIT cross you need about 24 good strong rushes. Now you want to pick the thickest and longest that you find, and they're thin enough that an ordinary pair of kind of household scissors is good enough for cutting them. You don't need any special tools to make a BRIGIT's cross. So we'll take these inside. So to start off, you take one straight rush and we'll take another one, pinch it in the middle and pop that around the middle of that first rush. And then I'll turn it and hold it in the centre. Now get another rush, crease it, turn it around the first one I added, and then we'll turn that to the left. And I take another, pinch it, put it around the last one that I added, hold it and turn it to the left. And here's another. It goes around the last one, always around the last one, and then I turn to the left. And I hold it in the centre because if I don't, it'll all unravel very easily. So I carry on adding another, always over the last one that I have added. Crease, add it, and kind of push it down so it's nice and neatly held in the centre. And I turn it, crease, add it, and turn. And after a while you'll see the pattern starting to build up at the centre of the cross. Crease, add, turn. Crease, add and turn, and always pushing them down so that they stay tightly woven. Crease. And I'll carry on like this till I've got maybe 5 or 6 rounds of rushes. Now you can actually stop any point you like, but I have plenty of rushes so I can make it a little bigger. Now, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need one on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more here, and I think that'll be it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. So I think that's us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So long as I hold on to the leg where the last rush was added, then it won't unravel. Now what I need to do is trim off the excess rushes here, and we need to fasten this off now in some way. And sure, usually it would have been a piece of rush or a piece of string, but we're fortunate in having little elastic bands, and I can slip one on to this leg here, give it 2 or 3 turns around to hold it in place. Now, once that's held in place, the rest of the cross is fairly secure. So I can now trim the other legs, just kind of judging by eye that they're around the same length. Tightening them up as I go. I can always adjust the length of them once I have them all fastened off. That's looking quite balanced, looking good. And there we have a Bridget's cross. And of course, now that it's made, what do we do with it? Well, usually we'd make the Bridget cross on the eve of Bridget's Day, and it would be hung up by the door, the main door into the house, or sometimes by the fireplace. And last year's Bridget's cross would be taken down, put in the fire, because it's done its work of protecting the house since then. So that's how to make a Bridget's cross.